Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to post pictures on Instagram from your computer. So this is on my laptop and I just open the Chrome browser, and here I just open instagram.com and I log into my account. I'll show you how to post pictures from this. And yeah, see here, uh, in the previous video, I show you how to post box pictures on Instagram. If anyone wants to know how to do that, you can go in the description and you can check that video. And coming back, and to post pictures from this laptop, you need to click on this create at left. See here, select from your computer. You need to click on this button, and this will open your file manager. And here, browse through. This is your PC, and wherever the photos you can browse through. For me here, I have some images, and I will show you one more thing also. When you're uploading different sort of pictures, there will be a small issue or error like with the aspect ratios. I'll show you how you can clear that one also. And one more important and useful tip here is we can select multiple photos at once using control. Just keep control on your keyboard and select 2 to 3 different pics or more pics. For example, I just selected 2 pictures by clicking on the control, and yeah, I'll select the third one, and I'll select the fourth one. Okay, click on open now. So Google Earth image is too small, so I selected a file which is very small, so it is not taking. So in that case, you don't need to worry because the image is too small. It just got rejected. Okay. Yeah, see here, this is the problem with the aspect ratio. I selected image from the my computer, but this is cropped, means only some amount of the picture is showing here. In this case, there is an option at the bottom here. You need to click on here, and by default, Instagram takes 1 is to 1. You need to change to 16 is to 19 so that the full image. If it not 16 not 15, 9, you can go for 4 is to 5, whichever best suits. You can keep that. You can click on the second, and same, you can change the resolution. Yes, this is fine, and this is also fine, and you can just click on next, and you can apply this filters and whatever it may be, you can directly share. I'm not going to show this photo editing and everything, but this is how you can post the pictures on Instagram using your laptop or computer. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.